G'day humanoid lifeforms, it's Chewy here. Today I'm going to show you, if you're interested, how to fit bar risers onto a ZZR 600. Just over a week ago I ordered the bar risers from Moto CNC, Precision Performance in the UK. Check them out online, I'll put the link down below. They came highly regarded by the Gorilla Biker, so I trusted them and I went through with the purchase. Not the cheapest thing in the world to get it shipped all the way from the UK to Australia, but hopefully the upgrade will be worth it. Let's have a quick look. I hate unboxing videos, you know that. So I'll just get one of the bar risers out. It comes with the two bar risers. I'll give you a close look at those in a moment. With the plug for the top, a cap. There we go. Yeah, nice. And so the other one's in there. And it also came with 4 new longer bolts. The tools you'll need for the job. I need a screwdriver, some sort of a thin blade or a point, and I'll show you why in a moment. 6mm Allen key, and I needed an extension on the Allen key to get enough torque to crack the bolts, which I've already cracked just. No, I'll show you that in a moment as well. All right, let's go. And here are the risers in black, plug. There are 2 of them. Everything came beautifully bubble wrapped and securely packaged. And the 4 bolts are the same hex head 6mm. So everything should work just perfectly. The first thing I did was cover my tank with a towel. Next thing I need to do is remove these little plastic covers. So the screwdriver was just to push down on one side, and the little sharp pointy bit was just so I can lever that out of there without causing any damage to them in case I want to use them again. Now it's time to crack the bolts. So 6mm Allen key, anti-clockwise for loosening. They will be quite tight, that's why I use the extension bar. There we go, she's cracked. Yep, alright. Let's remove the bolts, see what we've got. If you're having trouble, a bit of WD-40 would probably be advised. Some people probably use Loctite when they put the new ones in. Alright, that was pretty easy. Let's see how we go. Before I lift off the handlebar, which is simply that, making sure I've got a little bit of play in my cables. It's a 33mm rise, so the other thing I'm checking is which one fits on which side. Now, being an absolute mechanical moron, as I call myself, I don't know. But either way, I'm going to try and leave it where it is and get that off. Alright, tidy it up a bit. Lucky I've got one of my wife's best bath towels. No, it's not one of her best, but it's definitely one of her bath towels. Don't worry, she won't know until she sees the video anyway. And that's alright. Yep, that's good. Put the new bar riser, fits perfectly in place. What a great company. MotoCNC.com. Then let's hope we can get this. Oh no. It said on the packaging, no need for any cabling difference. It's the brake line here. The brake line is too short. Oh, can it fit? It's so close. It is there. Do I trust it with that pressure on the brake line? Yes, we do. We go with it. We go with it. Alright, well, I've already gone that far. A test ride will tell in a little while. I'll just nip that up with my fingers a little bit. Get another new bolt. Pretty important part of the kit. I wouldn't want that coming loose during a ride, so I'm going to give it a bit of force. Just feeling it out because I know how much force it took to undo it. It was quite a bit. I'm not going to overdo it though. I'm a pretty big bloke. I'm big, but at least I'm not strong. That's one side done. Alright, we'll have a go on the left side. See what's going to stop us on this side. Clutch cable. No, we've got some play there. Give it a bit of a clean. There we go, beautiful. Riser, handlebar, bolts, easy as that. Trained monkey could probably do it. They learn how to use tools. Just double check them all, make sure they're all tight. Looks good. Looks fantastic. Just push those in. Job done, that's awesome. Can't wait to ride now. I'll be back in a sec. Alright, this is the first time I've sat on the bike with the new bar risers. Oh, that is fantastic. Full lock left, full lock right, but I've still got pressure on the brakes. I can't see any split, I can't see it hitting anything. It's very rare to go full lock anyway on the bike, only when I'm getting in and out of the driveway. Alright, let's go for a ride. It feels good. It's not much of a difference. That little difference is a big difference, and it will make a massive difference to riding on a long trip. Yeah, I'm squidding it up, but I'm just riding up and down the street a couple of times. I just want to make sure everything's working all right. The bike isn't even warmed up yet properly. We'll see how it looks. Riding position. Everything's still working. Indicators are working. Check the horn. Horn. High beam. Got everything. Yeah! That's awesome. That's going to make a big difference to how long I can ride this bike, I think. Fantastic. Alright, that's about all. You know the drill. Until next time, be good to each other. Chewie out. Peace.